It was really informative, educational, and I was really inspired. I came here with not much knowledge about e-commerce. However, now I feel quite well equipped to go forward with what I need to do.
All the content had a lot of value and resonate very well with the problems that we see in our entrepreneurs and all the questions they always ask us about e-commerce and marketing and how to sell beyond Townsville. So I think this workshop brought a lot of value to our community in that sense.
Townsville, we've got a lot of startup entrepreneurs now, and it's a whole area that in the courses we've been doing we haven't touched on, and this has just provided the missing link for me.
I'm looking forward to the rest of the course to see where it takes me.
I mean, I've learned so much today, and I'm just looking forward to applying all that learning with our clients.